Okay, this video is about cooking in distilled water. I started experimenting this distilled water, and when I cook rice, it's actually less starchy, and it actually separates better too. See it? I'm gonna drain it out, and then I'm going to show you that after you boil it, to I have that rice video. I'll link it here how I do my rice. When it's almost done, that's when I know when to drain it, you know. And when I drain it, that's when it's almost there, because I actually taste it, and a certain amount, that's when I know. So it probably took about maybe 1 more minute, and then I'll drain it, and then we'll come back after I drain it, okay? Oh, and also too, I want to show you something. See the steam? It's actually really different too. Okay, so let me go and drain it. This is a close-up of rumble and boil, like in a rumble. It doesn't stick to the pan either. Very weird about cooking in distilled water. Okay, so I am back with the draining. If you look really close, I'm going to zoom it out so it can focus. Look at it. It doesn't stick to the pan. See it? Very weird. I haven't figured this out yet. It is less starchy. It seems to hold the rice in shape, and it's less starchy. So now I'm going to close the lid so I can continue my cooking. Okay. And then I'll come back when it's all set. Okay, so now I'm back with it's done. I'm going to stir it for you. And see how they all separated. I left a little extra because you see how nice it comes out now? Whoa. Let me see if I can zoom out so I can see. If I zoom out, it actually focuses better. There you go. Let me turn this off so it won't make no noise. See how nice that is? Now, you can go lower. I made it a little faster so I can do the video. But see how nice it is? It's really strange. I don't know what it is yet. But cooking rice with distilled water seems to be better. And also too, it doesn't really stick. I actually like this part here. I'm starting to like the crunchy in it. You see that? So I kind of burnt a little bit. So that's just my preference. I like half and half. I'm starting to eat these because my grandmother used to make them and she'd throw them out because she knows that I'm on a rice diet. So anyone who's actually on a rice diet, or like me, because I don't really, eat any other stuff because I am gluten intolerant. And I can't really eat potatoes, so I can only eat rice. And it's actually, I'm really healthy now because of it as well. And so I can't eat potatoes. And I cannot eat any kind of wheat. Although I still cheat now and then, but like pizza, but I try not to. So I cook rice a lot, and this is how I do them. But usually I just do it with regular water. But this month I've been going back and forth with regular water and distilled water, and somehow distilled water actually works better with the rice, and it also tastes bitter, and it come out less starchy too. So I don't know what's gonna do to my body. I don't know yet, because it's, you know, it's still new to me, but it seems to be a lot healthier somehow. Weird. But you can tell right there really close one more time before I go that it actually comes out really good. See it? It comes out like really nice. I don't know what it is yet. But anyway, I hope you learned something from the video. And if you have a distilled water machine, maybe start cooking your pasta, rice, and potato in it and see what happens. Okay? Other than that, that's about it on this video, and I will see you in the next video.